friends, I hope that today finds you well. I have a major unboxing to do here, and I'm going to do it right here with you. I have not opened the box yet. I know what's inside it, and what I'm about to show you has been out for a while, and as you know, I'm always late to the party, but this is something that I've been looking forward to because it is time that I get my hands on one of these. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Oh my goodness! Yes! So ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me move this out of the way. Ooh. Oh, this is heavy. Alrighty. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Sizzix electric shape cutting and embossing machine. This is huge. Let me go ahead and get it out of the box and I will do a first run right here with you. I am so excited. I'll be right back. Okay, first impressions. For such a humongous box, it is rather small. In all honesty, I was expecting something much larger, but this is what the platform looks like. It is pretty small. See, this is my hand, and I thought that this would be a rather large machine. I don't know if they make them larger than this in the electronic, but we'll see. And over here there's this little cubby board. I don't know what this is for, but this is the button. And so I learned that you actually have to keep your finger pressed on it in order for it to go. And so they need to improve on that. This is better than cranking my Spellbinders Platinum, and because it is getting rather difficult for me to do. And so let me see about opening this over here. Ooh, I've never used the Sizzix, so I'm just looking to see. Okay, there's instructions on how to do this, how to do that. Okay, so this is the platform. I'm still trying to get used to how small it is, and one thing that concerns me now is if it's going to be functional for me, because I work with rather larger dies. And so, okay, what I'm going to try out is are the dies from Christina Griffith's Card Making Magic. These are the Bell Bobble Easel die set, and you've seen me do the haul, and if you haven't seen that haul video, I will link you to it in the description area right underneath this one. And as you can see, I've already taken it out of the plastic bag, and I've put it in my magnet sheet. And so let me just take a look at this over here. Okay, so that's the instruction booklet, and basically it tells me how to use this. And I guess would this work as a Spellbinders? Let's see, how do I just do a regular die cut? Okay, so the sandwich is 1, 2, and all right, that's for the embossing, using embossing folders and dies. Okay, let's see. Like we say in Espanol, suerte o tripa. Okay, let's see what happens here. I want to die cut this piece over here. Okay, So according to the instructions, it should be this, that, and I may need a shim. And if I do need a shim, I'm not happy with that because for a machine of this price, I shouldn't have to need a shim. Okay, it should be powerful enough to do it. So let's see if it is powerful enough to do it. So let's see. Let me just take my scissors and cut this like so. And I did ask my friends which electronic die cutting machine I should get, and the one that they recommended is no longer in production. I forget the name. It has a lady's name. Oh my goodness. Look, this is like right at the end. Sweet Lord, it's right at the end. I'm not liking that. It's right at the end of the plate. If y'all can see that, let me point that out to you. See that? But let's see how it cuts, because that's what's important. How the machine cuts. So, okay, let's go ahead and do this. And now I'm going to run it through. Okay, now on something like this, usually with my Spellbinders Platinum, it only needs one run. Okay, so let's just take a look and see how it does with a one run. And I think it did a very good job, hopefully. Yay! Yay! I'm so happy! Alrighty. Alrighty, there we go. It cut it perfectly well. Like butter, baby. I love it. I love it. Now, here's a couple of things that I would have loved for this machine to do. Number one, to be a little bit bigger, okay? A little bit larger, because it really needs to accommodate the larger dies, I think, for the price. Number two, this right here does need to be larger, because with my Spellbinders, they provide me with hang on a second, let me show you. With the Spellbinders, they provide you with the large plates, okay? That way, there's no question. At least when they send me the plates, they always send me the large ones. There's no question as to, you know, the size of project, the need for the size of project that I have. So yeah, they could improve on this, but by making these larger, they would have to make this wider, okay? And another thing is that I would have to push the button, leave my hand there. So because my thinking was that I could be running an electronic die cutting machine here, letting it do its thing while I'm still working over here. And so, but that's not possible, because I'm going to need to keep my finger on the machine. And yeah, the pluses are it cuts like butter. I really, really like the way it cut. As you saw, it was one pass, and this is a pretty thin die, y'all. Look how thin it is. Okay, so that was really great. Now, you know what? While I'm testing this, let me see how it does with its own the Bigs dies, because I love the Bigs dies. Whenever I see a sale on the Sizzix Bigs dies, I'm always, you know, I'm always looking for a sale so that I can get some. See, I wish that I could run this through there, but hey, I may be able to. Let me put this here. Ooh, nice. Oh, but okay. I guess I would need to, I hope that they have the big plates. Let me just take a look to see if this would run with big plates. It would have to be with the big plates. Yep, it would be with the big plates. So I would need to buy the long ones, and I'm sure that they make them. So yeah, and let me just get a shorter Bigs dies, and I know I have them. Over here, I have a Spellbinders. Okay. This should fit through there. Great. And put this one here, this one here, this one here, like so. This one here, and let's see how it does. Woohoo! I love it! I love it! Look at this! I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So happy. Yay! Alrighty, because you know how hard it is for me to crank the machine whenever I'm using these? Oh my gosh, it's so hard. But you know what? All in all, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. I love this machine. I am so thankful that I got it. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and leave you my affiliate link to this machine in the area right underneath this video. You got my honest to goodness review on it. And you know what? It's worth it because it's not so much of my hands and my arms. It's my back, my spine. Because when I have to stand up and crank that Spellbinders Platinum, even though years later it still cuts like butter, no shims needed, okay, it does hurt my spine to do so. So it was time to go with the electric machine, and I am so glad I did. Thank y'all so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.